Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GNC Gainer. GNC gainers are designed to help you increase your daily calorie intake, which is crucial for muscle growth and weight gain. They provide a balanced blend of protein, carbohydrates, and essential fats, making it easier to meet your nutritional needs. Simply mix a serving with water or milk to create a convenient and delicious shake. For optimal results, consider taking your gainer at specific times. A common approach is to consume a serving immediately after your workout to aid in muscle recovery and growth. You can also take it between meals to significantly boost your daily calorie consumption. Always check the product label for precise serving size recommendations, which are typically 1 to 2 scoops. To truly maximize your gains, integrate your gainer with a balanced diet and a consistent exercise routine. Your serving size should be adjusted based on your individual fitness goals and current body weight to ensure you are meeting your caloric needs. For an extra nutritional boost, try blending your gainer with fruits like bananas or a spoonful of nut butter. Before incorporating any new supplement into your routine, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it aligns with your health needs. Continuously monitor your progress and adjust your gainer intake as needed to achieve your best results. Remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day, especially when increasing your protein and calorie intake. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.